Welcome for Football and Pidgin. After match talk, how you see Chelsea won and Manchester United won. And we get Oga Mike, we be like say normally I be the chairman of Chelsea. Make on tell us about how you see this game. Oga Mike, normally you believe say Chelsea supposed to use Man you shine, but this performance disappoints you small. But you tell us your own. Make we hear from your own mouth how you see Chelsea performance for this match, Oga Mike.
Well, as the the Jagaban of Chelsea.
Not be lie. Sokoto vote.
Yes. Well, then, I still a Sokoto vote in 3 points, but the God of soccer knows why.
Oga Mike, talk about broken.
Oluwa, now I know why I run her like that. That's so it be. You know, pass like that. It's a full cargo loss. Meditate loss. Now what happened today. You know, sweet my belly because why they pay me? Not be say Chelsea draw with Man U. Now for Lian because Man U now big meats. You understand? When two big guys fight, they call draw. Not be news. Now when small picky beat big man, that be breaking news.
Like with Nottingham Forest.
Yes, and Nottingham Forest use Liverpool take dual shobe for early kickoff. This a take bozo for ground. They don't recover. So, but Chelsea case not be like that. But when they pay me for the match, we say Chelsea dey form. Chelsea hold their side tight. Pass Man U. Chelsea balance gidigba with 2 legs. Man U dey limp. Man U be like woman say get belle. So why Chelsea no fit just get woto normal packaging? For the past 4 seasons now, Chelsea don win Man U for Stamford Bridge. 4 seasons. And I'm saying Man U dey form. If Man U dey form, we dey happy. Look Man U now. Man U now dey happy to draw. They're very happy from their coach. From England down to Okokoko, they look very grateful. Like say they carry cup, but we now they disappointed because this is the 4th time in a season where for our home, Man U they follow us the whole ground. Fine, they try, but they don't come and play their normal free-flowing football. They play wayo ball. They will draw yash, they go back. Once they see Chelsea don't do their back, they will run go front. So the game, well, in to cut them short, Chelsea try, but they don't make me happy because they draw. 1-1. They're supposed to collect that 3 points. Make where Man U separate where. Make the distance still long, small. The way small center they use us the shine. So that's how I say.
But make I ask you now, Oga Mike, now, with what you see from Chelsea, you they convinced that Chelsea go fit push for the Premier League this season?
Yes. Why are they convinced me say number 1, it did very early. Chelsea not there too far. Then secondly, Chelsea no they do badly. They do well in a new manager. You know understand? This guy now don't play almost close to going to 10 matches now. He never lose. No only draw and win. So if the guy continue like that, maybe transfer window by January, they can't get playoff in choice. He go do better. So I get that mind. I get my belief. Say Chelsea go feel balance. Now Arsenal go normally go draw points. That's so it be.
So, but Oga Mike, now I want to ask you about Chelsea attack. Today we see the attack be like waiting all the fireware, be like say not be all the cylinders the fire for inside the engine. What do you get to talk about Chelsea attack so far this season? Because we see player like Raheem Sterling when he make the move, the first how many matches we see say Sterling they deliver, but now because they be like say Sterling they hide face small. What do you get to talk about Chelsea attack? Even PM Aubameyang himself instantly get chance where he's supposed to score. But so far, what do you get to talk about Chelsea attack line this season?
The Chelsea attack line for the first 5 matches of the manager, it did okay. But for the past 3 matches backward now, it did very, very funny. And the English boys, I don't know whether the tribalism they play a role for Chelsea life. Sterling not there this match. It's about come on Sterling since all those kind 60 minutes. Put their policies because and leave them waiting to call that guy Aubameyang. The more policies they hold, the more Aubameyang they enter free space. He come out to Aubameyang, leave all these English boys. Massima not see him for the game. Massima Sterling, they not there the game. I don't know why tribalism always they play a big role in Chelsea, especially when it comes to this English coach. So the attack today, enter class. And I'm be waiting happen for Brentford. You reserve your attack against Brentford. Now the Man now, you know if winner. Then the 2 draw in a row. So the attack no join today. Starting from Brentford game, you no join. That cohesion no day there. I think I'm not too surprised. The likes of this guy, James, when no day. James, that fast running and fast cross, you know, day. So this guy now, our old man, as the quarter, when you go run, you go tire. Age don't come. So some of these players were wound, they see they affect us. So the attack no join today. The attack no join. The attack join. Man for collect. Woto. That's what I say.
All right, now, Mike. Thank you for your time.